There's not really such thing as a typical day. It really depends on what's going on, and it's constantly changing. You never get bored in this position. You know, given my druthers, I would have loved to paint all day or sew all day, but I get that same sense of satisfaction from creating software, only I get to show it off to millions of people.
When you are able to work on something and people you know and people you don't know can experience it and benefit from it, it gives you a sense of worth in what you're doing. It makes the everyday things feel a little bit easier to work on because you know eventually those little things are going to equal up to those big moments that people are consuming. Whether it's the Olympics, whether it's live streaming regional events, whether it's Kentucky Derby, you're going to touch millions of people of all different demographics, and that's something that you can't really say for a lot of jobs.
So training and support from the company has been tremendous. From my original jump from the business to IT, I was afforded a lot of technical training to make sure that I'd be successful in my job. And then from there, over the past 8 years, it's just been a regular pipeline of development opportunities and training, whether it be technical in nature early on in my career, and now that I'm more in a leadership and oversight role, it's really focused on executive leadership and strategy. One of the things I'm very excited about within technology is our new CIO is bringing in a focus on software engineering. So he's bringing a much more product-focused, innovative mindset to the technology function.
We get a lot of work done, and we're very proud of that, but we also have fun while we're doing it. It's a very relaxed atmosphere. You know, at the end of the day, we're just trying to make great products, and when you're in an atmosphere that's enjoyable, it's just a lot easier to do that.
Every day is a new challenge, a new excitement, a new opportunity to learn. And just in the 4 months that I've been a permanent employee, I've seen so many projects come down into production. It's just so exciting to have a tangible product in the real world that I get to see that I worked on. And it happens very often.
Our job is to build the best product in the marketplace and to roll out these innovative features. Some of the stuff we're starting to do on the TV, it's never been done anywhere. I'm almost like working for a small startup, and I get to have the same independence, the same charter. I get to do all of that while under, all the resources that Comcast provides.
In our day-to-day, we use languages such as PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, some Ruby, some Node, some SAS, Compass. We tend to follow an agile methodology for our development.
The idea behind agile is to break the project down into sort of 2-week chunks, and you work on and then you demo it to your client so that you're able to respond to changes in technology, changes in requirements, and changes in needs for a project so that you're constantly building and iterating on what you've built.
One of the things I like at NBCUniversal is the amount of opportunities available to us. I could move towards a director or maybe VP of engineering. It's possible for us to potentially switch to a broadcasting career. The possibilities are honestly endless.
It's great to be able to start out with nothing and at the end of the day sit back and go, I made that today.
You have more control and you have more ownership of what you're working on.
It's just great to be a part of that.
I like working in a team because it helps me to get better at what I do.
Any resources I need, I have readily available to me.
It's a great culture, it's a great experience.
I think you can spend an entire career here and never get bored.